Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the Gmail account that holds the photos and going straight to the backup source. Use Google Takeout or check Google Drive. This is faster than searching messages. Once done, pick images or photos export only because smaller exports avoid timeouts. Make sure you use the desktop browser to download and enable app passwords if you rely on a third-party downloader. This prevents access failures and keeps the process secure while you begin exporting. Now you create the export and handle the archive. Choose a single file split like 2 GB to prevent partial downloads, then start the export. When the archive appears in your downloads, verify the size and timestamp to ensure completion. Extract with the operating system tool or 7-zip. This reveals a Mail or Google Photos folder containing ML or image files. If images are embedded in messages, use batch extraction or select by file type so you get actual JPG or PNG files quickly. Finish by organizing the pictures into meaningful folders and create a second backup on an external drive or different cloud. This prevents future loss. If you don't find some photos, search the extracted ML files for attachments or repeat takeout using a broader date range. Sometimes exports skip older messages. Make sure file permissions allow reading and reattempt downloads on a stable network. If a download times out, reduce archive size or use an alternate browser. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.